We're here in Laguna Beach and we're going to show you 5 things to look for when you're shooting natural light portraits in urban locations.
My name is Pi, and I'm one of the founders of Lynn and Jersa Photography and SLRLounge.com. We're teaming up with Adorama to bring you a new series of photography tutorials called Master Your Craft right here on Adorama TV. So let's dive in.
What's up guys? My name is Pi. This here is Taylor. You can find her on Instagram at Livingston. And we're here in Laguna Beach. We're gonna walk around. I'm playing with the new 1DX Mark III, but we're gonna show you just some simple, easy tricks, things to look for when shooting natural light portraits in urban locations like this one, things you can do with any camera. So let's get started. I love vines. You can always shoot straight into them, but I'm gonna say use them also for depth. So here we're gonna just shoot right against them and along with them to kind of create a little bit of a foreground interest and a little bit more depth in our shots. Love that. Beautiful. Ooh, give me that same look again. Right there. In this spot, we have great leading lines, so I can shoot right along the brick and I can actually create a background directly behind her. So we have a solid, kind of consistent background as well as lines leading right into our subject. And Taylor, that light is coming from right up right here. So I'm gonna have you kind of tilt the head back and lean into the wall and give me the eyes right there. So kind of turn into me right there. I love that. Windows make for great natural reflections. Just have your subjects lean into them. Ideally have their face kind of positioned out towards the light like we're gonna do here. I love that. Come forward a little bit. Let's get you right in front of that column. Right there. In fact, come forward a little bit more. Right there. Beautiful. Find props and scenes that you can interact with. This one's fun because we have layers, we also have kind of repeating patterns, so it makes for a great image. Perfect. Find natural reflectors. So check this out. The sun is hitting this bright white neutral wall. All we have to do is find the position for our subject. We have a natural light modifier ready to go. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. You guys can follow Taylor at Livingston. You guys can follow me at Pi Jersa, and for more of the best A to Z workshops, check out SLRLoungeworkshops.com. In the meanwhile, subscribe, comment below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.